Election Day is almost here. On November 7th, you have an opportunity to decide on 4 election initiatives that will impact Glendale Elementary schools. The M&O override would provide money for classroom supplies, physical education, arts and music programs, and my favorite, library services. The DAA override allows Glendale schools to update technology and safety equipment to keep us connected and safe, including HVAC systems so we can stay comfortable all through the school year. The Capital Improvement Bond would give our schools vehicles like school buses, new buildings, and let us fix up the old ones, which we really need. Finally, the 4th initiative lets Glendale schools sell, lease, or exchange property. Look for your ballot in the mail and return it by Tuesday, November 7th.